Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice commands on your PlayStation 5, or just in general how to use it. So let's go to settings, and then going down to where it says voice commands, and make sure this is turned on and enabled. So you can turn on listen for Hey PlayStation. If you say that, it's going to pop up, and you can say things like open Gears of War, or something like that, and it will open that specific game. So let's try it out. Hey PlayStation, open Gears of War Reloaded. And there it is. It opened this game. So you could use it to switch your games or something like that. But the problem is sometimes you might say, hey, PlayStation, and it might activate when you're playing a game. So you can continue to talk and it'll just kind of go away and you can ignore it. So if you're not actually saying the command, it's not going to do anything. So went away. Now you can look at these different options under here. Now another way that you can activate the voice command is if you press the PlayStation button, and then press options, and here's the hidden controls. It might be under here. Bring this up to the top. And then what you want to do is just press the PlayStation button and go over to voice. And then press this, and then if you say something, it will work. So let's press this now and say, I don't know, let's open up Call of Duty Warzone. Or switch to Call of Duty Warzone or YouTube. Switch to Call of Duty Warzone. And let's see if this works. Couldn't find any results. So if this is working or not really depends on the command that you're using and you're saying. So probably the only thing you really want to use this for is searching for games in the library, so you don't have to go all the way up to here and then type everything in. But a lot of times I just go to the voice option right here and just say Gears of War. And then go to done. And you can find it this way too. So yeah, just go ahead and try this out, see if you like it or not. But if you say, hey, PlayStation, it will activate.